Who formulated the famous equation E equals mc squared?
Albert Einstein.
Which sea is located between Australia and New Zealand?
Tasman Sea.
When was the first modern Olympics held?
(1896).
What do you call an angle greater than 90 degrees?
Obtuse.
What is the capital city of Kenya?
Nairobi.
What is the main language spoken in Brazil?
Portuguese.
What is the smallest unit of matter?
Atom.
Which Shakespeare play features the character Iago?
Othello.
The offspring of a goat is called a dash.
Kid.
Which layer of the Earth lies directly beneath the crust?
Mantle.
Which is the hardest form of carbon?
Diamond.
Who discovered the nucleus of a cell?
Robert Brown.
In a computer, what does SSD stand for?
Solid-state drive.
Which metal is most commonly used in electrical wires?
Copper.
Who developed the first successful polio vaccine?
Jonas Salk.
Which is the main web page of a website?
Homepage.
Which is the lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere?
Troposphere.
Who discovered electromagnetic induction?
Michael Faraday.
Which planet in our solar system has the shortest day?
Jupiter.
Which desert is the largest in Asia?
Gobi Desert.
Which Mughal emperor built the Taj Mahal?
Shah Jahan.
Who was the leader of Germany during World War II?
Adolf Hitler.
Which element has the highest electrical conductivity of all metals?
Silver.
What is the term for the study of fossils?
Paleontology.
What is the capital of New Zealand?
Wellington.
Which one of the following is a great circle?
Equator.
In which organ does digestion begin?
Mouth.
Who was the first woman to go to space?
Valentina Tereshkova.
Who was the first person to propose the heliocentric model of the solar system?
Nicolaus Copernicus.
Who is often regarded as the father of modern chemistry?
Antoine Lavoisier.
Sound waves cannot travel through.
Vacuum.
Which is the botanical name of tomato?
Solanum lycopersicum.
Which organelle in a plant cell is responsible for photosynthesis?
Chloroplast.
Which country is home to the ancient city of Petra?
Jordan.
What is the name of the region of rocky debris between Mars and Jupiter?
Asteroid belt.
Which is the longest river in India?
Ganga.
Which instrument is used to measure the humidity of the air?
Hygrometer.
Which atmospheric layer contains the ozone layer?
Stratosphere.
What is a male honeybee called?
Drone.
Which device converts sound into electrical signals?
Microphone.
Who is credited with demonstrating the existence of radio waves?
Heinrich Hertz.
Aquaphobia is the fear of.
Water.
Which vitamin deficiency causes scurvy?
Vitamin C.
Which country is known as the Emerald Isle?
Ireland.
What is the third angle in a triangle if two angles are 40 degrees and 60 degrees?
(80°).
What is the currency of South Korea?
(1).
The Amazon rainforest is primarily in which country?
Brazil.
Which vitamin is crucial for the absorption of calcium?
Vitamin D.
Which gas is known as laughing gas?
Nitrous oxide.
What is the term for the distance around a circle?
Circumference.
Which famous painter is known for his blue period?
Pablo Picasso.
What is the binary representation of the decimal number 10?
(1010).
Which is the largest gland in the human body?
Liver.
What is the main component of the Sun?
Hydrogen.
World Health Day is observed every year on.
April 7th.
Which is the coldest layer of the atmosphere?
Mesosphere.
What is the term for a word that has a similar meaning to another word?
Synonym.
Which mountain range separates Europe from Asia?
Urals.
What is the path of a planet around the Sun called?
Orbit.
Which number comes after 21 in the Fibonacci sequence?
(34).
Which device converts digital data into analog signals for transmission over telephone lines?
Modem.
In which year did the Berlin Wall fall?
(1989).
What is the process by which plants lose water vapor from their leaves called?
Transpiration.
What is the chemical formula for methane?
CH4.
Which is not a river flowing in Asia?
Danube.
Which country spans both Europe and Asia?
Russia.
What is the first step in the water cycle?
Evaporation.
What is the capital of Thailand?
Bangkok.
What is the reciprocal of 5/8?
(8/5).
What is the political system called where power is divided between central and regional governments?
Federalism.
Which company made the first mobile phone?
Motorola.
Which mathematical operation is the inverse of multiplication?
Division.
Which city is nicknamed the Big Apple?
New York.
What is the study of celestial objects and phenomena called?
Astronomy.
What is the phenomenon called when light bends as it passes from one medium to another?
Refraction.
In computers, what does USB stand for?
Universal Serial Bus.
Which gas is most abundant in Earth's atmosphere?
Nitrogen.
Which is the longest bone in the human body?
Femur.
What is the name of the red disc on the carom board?
Queen.
Who is known as the father of geometry?
Euclid.
Which Shakespeare play begins with the line, "To be, or not to be"?
Hamlet.
Which organ filters blood in the human body?
Kidney.
What is the sum of the interior angles in any quadrilateral?
(360°).
What is the longest side of a right-angled triangle called?
Hypotenuse.
Which organ in the human body is primarily responsible for detoxification?
Liver.
What is the process of cell division in somatic cells called?
Mitosis.
Which company developed the Android operating system?
Google.
Which of these animals is endangered?
Blue whale.
What is the atomic number of carbon?
Six.
What does "lol" stand for in internet slang?
Laughing out loud.
Whose autobiography is titled, "The Story of My Experiments with Truth"?
Mahatma Gandhi.
Which treaty officially ended World War I?
Treaty of Versailles.
What is the largest island in the world?
Greenland.
Which acid gives vinegar its sour taste?
Acetic acid.
Which is the lightest noble gas?
Helium.
Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting?
Vitamin K.
What is the SI unit of power?
Watt.
What is the cube of 3?
(27).
How many chromosomes do humans have?
(46).
When was the first FIFA World Cup held?
(1930).